Welcome to the show. Jnani and Casi, cross country to Tracy, California. Beautiful cow town. All right, we're going to taxi over to runway 30. And we will be departing and heading over to Oscar 69, which is Petaluma Municipal Airport. Do you see the guy on the glider?
No, he went over. No.
Okay. Well, it's calmed down a bit. The traffic-wise, I mean.
He doesn't obviously talk comms, right?
Yeah, he could. A lot of those guys have comms, some don't.
It really looks like a big wheel of wings.
I know. All right, so lights, camera, action, full rich. Final approach is clear. Holding short. Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 1036 Mike, departing runway 30 for a straight out departure. Tracy. All right. The sun should be to our left, so you shouldn't have any issues, but just leave this visor up so it doesn't get in the way of the camera there. So it's calm wind today. Only wind was 310 at 3 knots. All right, lined up on the center line.
I don't see him.
Heels to the deck. Apply full power. Power indications are good. Instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive. Everything looks clear. And here we are. Rotation. Boom. And we just want to keep an eye on the pattern. Make sure, I see some birds right here that we want to avoid for sure.
Yeah, there's a bird right in front of us.
I got it.
What do?
You friggin'
University traffic, Cessna 198 Mike.
Avoid him.
He is 5 miles to the northeast. Traffic advisory is University.
So we're going to climb out. Climb out and get to 4,500 feet. We'll engage the autopilot before then. Flying on a heading of 296 currently, but looking for 300.
Birds and flying big wheels.
No, I know, you got to look out for birds. I didn't remember there being a lot of issues with birds here. I've flown here a lot in this little valley area where I did my check ride, and I will do my instrument check ride. It's a lot of times along the coast, there's a big issue with that. You know, down in San Carlos where I trained.
Well, that looked like a vulture too, right? Those don't fly high.
It sure looked like it, yeah. Pretty low, I would say, for the most part.
Don't want to hit it though. It's the size of a turkey.
Exactly. So this camera's going to get boring looking at us the whole ride, but unfortunately my cord, I don't think is long enough to reach all the way to that back window to suction cup on. So it is what it is. Wow, look at the haze. Look how hazy it is.
Yeah, agricultural stuff?
Yeah, it's just smog. It's gross.
What do you mean, the pollution?
Yeah.